Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make a microbit count how many spins it is doing. This is the code. Starting with the on-start block. This is where we set the value for 5 variables. We start with the variable original that makes it so the variable stores where the compass heading was at the start, so every time it passes it will add 1 count to the count. Count counts how many times it has turned. These next 3 variables work as checkpoints as the microbit is turning. They have if statements. This is because if they go over 360 then it won't work, so if it does it minuses 360. Now onto the forever loop. We have many if statements and each of these are making the checkpoints. We have a variable called turned which basically tells the next loop that it has gone through that checkpoint. The final if statement is a bit different since this finishes the spin. We have to say it is in between because without this the count will keep on adding onto it until it reaches 360. Then we have count add 1 and to show how many spins it has done. Then we set turn to 0 so it goes back to the start of the turn. Now you download and plug it in the microbit. If you run it, it will first ask to set up the compass, but after that it should be fine. Now when you turn it, every full spin it will start counting. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you learned something. Thank you to Mizt Music for this great idea. Leave a comment on any video ideas of your own. Consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thank you and bye.